What's up guys, DIY Tollits again here. Welcome to my channel, DIY Tollits, and good afternoon. Today's vlog is we're going to replace the inner and outer tie rod of my 2010 Nissan Versa car. So I already replaced the the outer tie rod, but I did not yet replace the inner because I don't have the tools to take it out. And I ordered it online. Now today I had it, so we're gonna work on it right now. So let's go. First thing to do is to take off the tires. So here is the tie rod, the outer one, that's the new one, and then I'm gonna take that off too. So first I'm gonna turn the wheel over here on this side so we can take that. I'm gonna take the tie rod off first. So here is the new outer tie rod. I'm gonna take it out again since I already changed it. The reason why get that. Yeah, I don't know what size this. Okay, it's 16 millimeter size. This and now you have to take this off. You just gonna hammer it down. There you go. Oh, sorry, but before that, we had to loosen this up first. Okay, let me grab some. So we have to count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 turns. All right, to take this, see how that thing is. See, it's loose. It's not supposed to be like that. Oh, but anyway, to take this out, we had to take this clip clamp, take the rubber boot, and the other one over there with the screwdriver. We're gonna break the seal, the what do you call the clamp with the screwdriver. Alright. Where can I put this? So we already took out the rubber boot, and now we're gonna take this tie rod off, and I'm gonna need the special tool for that. So hold on 1 second, I'm gonna grab the special tools, and I'll be right back. All right, here's the special tool. We call it clamp. And by the way, this is the first time I'm replacing a tie rod. So here's the tool. So I'm gonna take this off. So we're just gonna put this in here. And tight this. It's hard to work on one hand. Oh, let me tighten this up. Okay, here's the new one, and this is the old one. So see, okay lang, the same size. Okay, look at this, the new one. It's hard. Just gonna put it back. The same way I use this one. I'm gonna tighten it. Now we're gonna put the boot, but first, you're gonna put grease. Where is the boot? Now we're gonna put it back. Put this. Not the one that you put the boot. The boot. Oh, by the way, I had these. Since I cannot use this anymore, I bought these. This metal wire tie. Sorry guys, I gotta go underneath. Hold on a second. Alright. Now we already put the rubber boot and I put the jam nut. I'm gonna install this back. Alright guys, it's done. This is the other side of the thing car. So I install this back and put new inner tie rod, and hopefully it will fix the problem. Alright, now I'm gonna put back the wheels back and I will call the night. So thanks for watching guys. This is DIY toilets, and that's how I replace the inner and outer tie rod. In and out. Now I'm gonna do is align it. I'm gonna align it and then we're done. Alright, thank you again, and God bless everyone. And this is DIY toilets. Bye bye.